How to see Netflix viewing history or your watch history. So if you want to find your viewing history or your watch history on Netflix, it is very simple to do so. Now, first, there are two processes to do this. First is from the Netflix app, you can find out what shows or series that you're currently watching. So you can go ahead and then open up a certain profile for which you want to view the Netflix history. And once you've done that, you can just tap on it and then you'll be able to scroll down and you should be able to go ahead and then see those continue watching. Otherwise, what you can do is you can open up your browser and go to netflix.com/account. I repeat, netflix.com/account, and these are the options that you will see. Over here, you can go to the option that says Manage Profiles and tap on it. Under Profile, select the profile for which you want to find the viewing history of. And once you've done that, you can scroll down and you'll see all those different options. Go to the one that says Viewing Activity, and from viewing activity you'll find all the watch history of that profile on Netflix from your browser. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.